Break in my 50-year-old firewood truck, pull over full-grown trees.
Getting pulled off the road.
Absolutely nobody asked, but we're doing it anyway.
Oh my gosh, I snapped it.
2 times the diameter of the last one. Hear that? Running out of gas. This will either end beautifully or violently. Woohoo! Start with a slightly smaller tree, a little bit rotted. It peaked in high school. He's ready to forfeit life, so I'm gonna help him out. We got it connected to the truck, going to the snatch block on that green tree, over to the weak peaked in high school tree. Leverage. Ah. 2-wheel drive.
It worked, 2-wheel drive. Not even a struggle.
Get wrecked. Beautiful. I say we name the trees out of respect. Call this tree Little John. I'm gonna turn this place into a graveyard. Think about it, I am helping nature. Because what if a deer was walking by and one of these all of a sudden fell? It would crush the poor deer and it would die. Definitely kill a deer if it landed on it. About 2 times the diameter of the last one. You know, this one's been through life, paid his taxes. He's also, he's divorced. He's just ready to... Ooh, water. The tree's got a feather tree. Can't even reach my arms around. Ah, woohoo! More core. There we go, round 2.
Oh my gosh, I snapped him.
It's a Y. I'm gonna back up and give it another go. I killed half of him.
Go!
I didn't make it.
Pulling me off the road.
I'm gonna stick her in 4-low, give her one more good pull. I think the Forest Service is gonna be more pissed that I messed up their road. Look at that. They can go suck. Hubs are locked. Let's do this. Got it in 4-low now.
What happened? Good enough.
I say that works. He's gone.
Got this.
Professional log climber honor.
Oh!
Okay, this one right here, big kahuna. I know what you're thinking. But Carson, it's smaller than the other one. Be quiet. Look at this. It's green. That means it's gonna be way tough for the roots. Bottom of the trunk, not rotted. It's gonna be the hardest one to pull yet. Medium Larry is no longer with us. He's lost his top half. Gone. He's done. This guy, oh look, a bird. Sorry, what were we saying? He's lived life. He's done tax evasion. He's been to prison. You know, you see like those little dudes, they're short, but they're like Jackie Chan and they're like, bam, bam. They're like the most dangerous people, but they're slightly smaller. That's this guy. Anyway, we're gonna see if we can pull him over. Here we go. Oh, I almost fell. Ready to rumble. Ow.
Piss off.
Getting beat up by a branch. Okay, here we go. He's a lot greener than the last one.
Wait, what happened?
You pulled over your anchor tree.
What the?
Holy cow. Obliterated it. Guys, some idiot just pulled a green tree out. They're like probably going to Forest Service prison. If I find out who it is, I'll let you know. Man, he's in deep trouble. That's a deep hole. Anyway.
Look, I even pulled over this little tree. That's extra points.
Ah! Ah! I'm kidding, it's not that bad, but I am bleeding. Stick it on this little green guy right here. I need to release my pent-up frustration on smaller trees.
Nailed it. The tree killing express is on its way. Hold on tight.
That was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be. But you know what? The square body wins. We're good at what we do. Oops.
Now I know what you're thinking.
Oh no, Carson, you just pulled this tree onto the road. Whatever shall we do? Carson, you're a terrible human being. Look what you did to the poor frickin' road, you scoundrel, you maniac. Watch this. Look how beautiful it is. It's like it never happened. You could eat off this road. Hear that? Running out of gas. Fuel gauge is broken. Luckily, I was smart and I brought an extra can. It's gonna be a running thing in all of my videos. Running out of gas. Here with the square body tree disposal express, we use our genius in other ways. I've got this nice log down here that I want to take home with me, but I don't want to cut it up with my saw. That's a lot of work. So I hook it up to my winch and just get it right up there like that. Probably thinking, oh, you're gonna swing it into the back of the truck. No, see, that's too much work. Now I can just haul the log home. When you have it jacked up on a winch and only part of it touching the ground, it's just like pulling a trailer. They can't get mad at you for it. If I was pulling the whole log laying down on the road with a chain, then they'll scream at you and you'll get a ticket and you'll go to prison. It's genius.